bodies.
So I managed to get most of the body panels off of the typewriter. And luckily this typewriter works pretty well. But we were noticing that sometimes keys were getting stuck. And also it's just disgusting. And so I'm gonna do a full clean through. But the only part I can't seem to get off is this knob here. So progress. I was able to take the batten off, and when I did that, I exposed this interior shaft with this fitting on the end, and that's what's on the other side of this knob. And with 2 vice grips, I've been able to get enough, I guess, leverage on it that I can actually start to unscrew this. So I was correct that this nut is connected to this ending, but before I just couldn't get enough pressure on the shaft to keep it from rotating. Success! The last piece I need off so I can clean. Huzzah! So to clean all of these exterior parts, first I'm gonna test a little bit of this general cleaner on part of the inside, just to make sure it doesn't cause any damage, and then I can clean the rest of it. So after watching a tutorial YouTube of someone who actually cleans typewriters professionally, they recommended using mineral spirits to clean the inside. So again, I removed all the exterior parts that could be damaged by the mineral spirits. They also use a spray bottle to spray small amounts. I don't have that, so I'm just going to use the tried and true method of capping off the end of a straw with my finger and then depositing small amounts. I have our air compressor hooked up to this little gun, just so I can dry off the typewriter after I clean some mineral spirits. I have a new toothbrush we'll never use again to actually get into the crevices. I also have some Q-tips, and I think that's all I need. So I used some of the mineral spirits, but honestly, just using the air compressor was getting most of the junk out. So I'm happy with that. Dry on the sun, and while it does that, I brought out all of the exterior components, and we can see that the little area I did a test piece on looks fine. So I don't think that my normal spray is going to damage it, and so I'm just going to clean all the outside parts. So I finished cleaning these. I couldn't get a lot of stuff off, but I don't really mind it. I think overall it looks pretty good. I cared more that it was actually clean. Time to reassemble this baby.